Hey you guys, what's up? It's Amanda over at Lowbrow Customs, and today I'm here to show you how to properly plug your gas hole. I'm with Tony Sporty right now, and he is rocking this boring OEM gas cap. We don't need it. At Lowbrow Customs, we have many different gas caps to choose from, and today I chose the Finned gas cap. Totally changed the look of Tony's bike. So this Finned gas cap and many others actually have, as you heard that clicking, the ratcheting mechanism, so you can actually turn it back if you have OCD like me to make those fins go exactly in whatever direction you want, whether you want vertical or horizontal. So make sure you go to lowbrowcustoms.com and check out these and many other gas caps that we have to offer and properly plug your gas hole. Now go ride.